Welcome back, students of 7th class. This is Asif from Modern International School, Hiswa, present before you to solve a couple of questions of exercise 7a, chapter 7, linear equation in one variable. So let's take a started, friend. We have taken question number 17 is here, and it says solve the following equation. Check your result in a denominator. Now, in order to remove this 10, we have to multiply by 10 in both sides. Now multiply 10 by both sides. Now we have to write here multiplying by 10 on both sides. Okay, we will have to write over here. Okay, now 10 multiply by 2x minus 3. Now this 10 is multiplied by 3 by 10 both sides. Okay, now this 10 will get cancelled. This 10 will get cancelled. 10 1 10, and this 10 is going to be multiplied. 10 to the 20 x minus 30. 5 3 is 15x, and 12 3 is 36. Now bring x term same side. 15x is, because here the plus, minus, here the minus 36 as it is. Bring this minus 30 towards right hand side, the plus 30. Okay, now this is 5x, and this is minus 6. So x is equal to minus 6 by 5. Okay, now the value. Now let me check. Right, LHS left hand side is equal to 2x minus 3. Put the value of x in instead of x as minus 6 by 5, and here is the minus 3. Okay, now here 2 multiply by minus 6 by 5 minus 3. So this is minus 12 by 5 minus 3. Now take the LCM of 5 and 1. Here is the 1, it is in 5 LCM. 5 divided by 5 minus 12 as it is, minus this is 15. This is minus 17 by 5. This is your LHS. Now to find RHS, sorry, this is the LHS, then to find RHS. Here is the RHS is, have a look, RHS. Now write the RHS. RHS is 3 by 10 multiplied by 5x minus 12. Okay, now put the value of minus 6 by 5. Here as it is, 5 minus 6 by 5, the value of x minus 6 by 5. Here is the minus 12. Okay, this 5 will get cancelled. 3 divided by 10 multiply by, because this minus 6 and minus 6, minus 18. Okay, this is, here is the 27, sorry, minus 12 minus 15, 27. Okay, now this is 2 5 ja and 2 9 ja. Here 3 multiplied by minus 9 divided by 5 minus 27 by 5. So have a look, friends. Here the RHS, here the LHS. So hence it also 6. Yes, friends, question number 27. Now have a look. Here is the question. 3 by 4 multiplied by 7x minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 minus x by 2 is equal to x plus 3. Now first see, here is the 4, 2 and 2. Means 4, 2 and 2 are the denominators, and we have to remove this denominator. Then we will get the very easy to solve these questions. Now first take the LCM of 2 and 2 and 4, the LCM of 4. Now multiply this 4 in left hand side and right hand side as well. Here I have already written here multiplying by 4 on both sides. Means left hand side 4 multiplied by 3 by 4, bracket 7x minus 1. This is, now we have to multiply, means each and every term in the left hand side. Means here is the first term, we have to multiply this, then once again we have to multiply this term by 4. So here 4 multiply by, as it is, 2x minus 1 minus x divided by 2, and then right hand side is equal to this 4 is multiplied by whole terms x plus 3 by 2. Okay, now here have a look. Here 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 4 1, this is 3 multiplied by 7x. 3 7 21st x minus 3. Okay, here is the 4 2 8 minus 8x Now this 4 is multiplied by this term 1 minus x by divided by 2, multiply 2 2 ja 4. Here is the 2 and 1 minus x as it is. Here is equal to now this is 4x, 4 multiplied by x, 4x. This is plus into plus and this 4 multiplied by 3 by 2 means 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. Okay, 2 multiplied by 3, 2 3 ja 6. Okay. Now friends, see, now afterwards, yes, this 21x is here minus 8x. Now first we have to bring all the x terms in the left hand side. Here 21x is as it is. Now this is minus 8x is already left hand side is as it is, and minus 2x is left hand side is as it is. Now we are going to bring this 4x towards left hand side, changing your sign. Here is the plus sign. If we came over here with the negative sign, means here minus 4x. Okay, now is equal to 6 is as it is. Here the plus sign as it is. Now here is the minus 3 is left hand side, and we have to bring this minus 3 towards the right hand side with the opposite sign. Here the plus 3, and hence this plus 2 will becomes minus 2 in right hand side, because this plus 2 is already here the left hand side. We bring this plus 2 left hand side, changing your sign minus 2. Now here, now we have to add their 3 terms, minus 8, minus 2, minus 4 becomes minus 14x, then 21 minus 14x. 21x minus 14x is equal to 7x. Okay, so this is why here is the 7x, and here 6 plus 3 9 minus 2 7. So x is equal to 7 by 7. This 7 is here and this 7 is here. Now 7 1 just 7 will get cancelled, and the value of x is 1. Now let me check after putting x is equal to 1 in left hand side and right hand side. Okay, then have a look. First write the left hand side, and the left hand side terms is, here is the left hand side, LHS. LHS 3 by 4, 7x minus 1, 2x minus 1 minus x divided by 2. Okay, now put the value of x is equal to 1. Okay, where there is x, there is value 1. Here 7 multiplied by x is here, means 1. Here is the minus 1 as it is. This is minus 2. The value of x is, yes 1. Here is the 1 minus 1 minus the value of x is 1. Here is the 1 divided by 2. Now let's see, 3 by 4 is as it is. 7 1 just 7 minus 1 minus 2 1 ja 2 minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 by 2. So if you remember friends, 0 by something is equal to 0. Okay, 3 by 4 as it is. 7 minus 1 becomes, yes, 6. Okay, here's the minus 2, and this is 0. Why? Because 0 by something is 0. Okay, now this becomes 3 by 4 multiplied by 6 and minus 2. Okay, now we can easy have a look. Now friends, have a look. Here 3 by 4 multiplied by 6 minus 2. So 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. So 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3 ja 9, and 2 is here. Here is the minus 2 and 1 is hidden. Now take the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2, and then 2 is divided by this 2. 1 multiplied by 9, 9 1 ja 9. This is minus. Then once again 2 is divided by 1, 2 multiplied by this 2, 2 2 ja 4. Here 9 minus 4 5, and divided by 2. 5 by 2 is the left hand side. The value of left hand side is 5 by 2. Now let me check. Now for find the value of right hand side. Find right hand. First of all, write the RHS, and write the RHS x plus 3 by 2. Now the value of x is 1. Yes, we have already find. Okay, 1 plus 3 by 2. Okay, now solve this. 1 is here, so take the LCM 1 and 2. 2 LCM. 2 is divided by 1. 2 multiplied by 1. 2 1 ja 2. Here is the plus. This 2 is divided by this 2. 1 multiplied by this 2 is divided by this 1 multiplied by the 3 1 ja 3. So this is 3 plus 5 by 2. So here have a look friend, this is right hand side, RHS. Here is the RHS and this is the left hand side. Then LHS, hence we can say LHS is equal to RHS checked, CHECKED. I hope you will clear. It's very simple questions. First find the value of variables, means x, then place the value of x in left hand side and right hand side for the checking. Okay, now next question. Now friends, see Question number 29 is 2.4 multiplied by 3 minus 6 minus 0.6 multiplied by 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Means left hand side is here and this, and right hand side is 0. Now first we have to find the value of x. Then afterwards we will check after putting the value of x in left and right, left hand side. Okay, here the solution is first multiply 2.4 this. Now this 2.4 multiply by 3. 24 3 is 72. 72 right hand side, but they here how many digits after points? You have points, but there is one. Sorry, how many digit after points? One digit is. Now place the decimal after counting from right hand side. One digit is here. Okay, this is 7.2. Now this 2.4 is multiplied by x. This is minus 2.4 x. Okay, this is x. Now this is minus 0.6 is multiplied by 2. 6 to the 12 x, but we have to place the decimal counting from right hand side. The one digit is here because the points after point there is one digit. Here is the minus into minus plus. 6 3 is 18, and we have to place these decimals after counting one digit from right hand side. Why one digit? Because here after decimal there is one digit, so this is why we have already placed the decimal after counting one digit from right hand side. Okay, this is 0. Now this is x terms. Here is the x term. First of all, this is all the x term is here, so bring all the x terms. Here the minus 2.4x, here the minus 1.2x, or either we can, here is the, now add all the values. 2.4 1.2, here the 6 3 means 0.3 but the both the having negative sign, we have placed the negative sign. Now add there without x term is 1.8 plus 7.2. okay, this is 8.1 is balance. 7 plus 1 8 plus this is 9.0 means here the plus sign. 9.0 is equal to 0, so 9.0 means only 9, so this is minus 3.68 is equal to minus 9. Remove this 0. okay, now this is x is equal to minus 9 divided by minus 3.6. okay, 3.6. This minus will get cancelled. If you remove this decimal, then we have to place 1 0, or the multiplication formula is 10. Here is the 9 multiplied by 10 divided by 36. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36. okay, and then 2 1 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10 means 5 by 2. That means here x is equal to 5 by 2. This is your first answer. Now, and either we can write the value as decimal 2.5. This is your first. Now let me check. Now friends, for checking, write the left hand side 2.4 3 minus x multiplied by minus 0.6 multiplied by 2 x minus 3. We have to put the value of x instead of x here. 2.4 as it is. Now 3 minus, here is the 2.5. okay, here is the 0.6. now 2 multiplied by 2.5. Why? Because the value of x is 2.5. Here is the minus 3, close bracket. Now this is 2.5. first of we have to solve the inside the bracket term. Now friends, see, first of all we have to subtract 2.5 from 3. Now write the 3 at 0.0 could be written. okay, and this 2.5, so this is 10 minus 5 5, and this is 2 minus 2, yes, 0, so 0.5. okay, now see, minus 0.6. first we have to solve this inside the bracket. 2 multiply 2.5, yani 25 2 ja 50. Then place the one digit from right hand side. okay, place the decimal after one digit from right hand side. This is minus 3. That means 2.4 multiply by 24 multiply by 5. Multiply 2 is balance 5 2 is balance 12. okay, this means here is the decimal. Now count the digits after decimal. Here the 1 and 2 digits. Here is the decimals. okay, now 1.2. okay, here is the 1.2. remove the 0 decimal. Here is the minus 0.6. now multiply by 5 minus 3 is 2. okay, this is 1.2 minus this is also 1.2 multiply 6 multiply by 2, this is 12. Okay, now here is the point. Okay, how many digit after point? One digit. Here is the 1. Okay, this is same numbers in opposite sign become 0, so hence this is equal to right hand side, means left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is checked. I hope you will be clear. This is the last question. Question number 32 says 2x plus 5 divided by 3x plus 4 is equal to 3. Now the same question says here, first find the value of x, then check. Okay, now first let me find the value of x. Here is the 1 is hidden. Now in such type of question we have to multiply as cross multiplication. This the whole term is multiplied by 1 and this whole term is multiplied by with 3. Okay, now this 2x plus 1 is multiplied by 1 becomes the same thing, because anything is multiplied by 1 becomes the same thing. Okay, now and this could be multiplied by 3 multiplied by, we can write as 3 multiplied by 3x plus 4. Okay, now first we have to multiply, right, as it is. Now multiply 3 3 is 9x and plus 3 4 12. Okay, now this is bring this 9x is left hand side becomes 9 minus 9x. Here is the 12 as it is. Now this minus 5. Okay, now this is minus 7. This bit, this is plus 7. So x is equal to plus 7 divided by minus 7. 7 1 just 7. So x is equal to minus 1. Okay, now the value of x is equal to minus 1. Now let me check left hand side, right, left hand side 2x plus 5 divided by 3x plus 4. Now put the value of x as minus 1. So 2 multiplied by minus 1, where there is x there is minus 1 plus 5. So 3 multiplied by, here is the x minus 1 plus 4. Now plus into minus, minus 2 1 ja 2 plus 5. Okay, this is 3 plus into minus, minus 3 1 ja 3 plus 4. Now subtract, this is, now see friends, this is minus 2 plus 5 minus 3 plus 4, plus 5 minus 2 becomes plus 3. Here 4 minus 3 becomes plus 1. So 3 by 1 could be written as only 3. So this becomes RHS value. So hence checked. I hope you will clear. You will be clear and you got it. Now your homework is exercise 7A question number. Look friend, exercise 7A question number 16 to 32. I hope you will solve the questions. If you have any doubt or queries, please ask me and comment in the comment box. Write your name, roll number and class as well. Have a nice day.